A bunch of people asked me to do a video of me cooking. A bunch of the girls did. So I'm gonna do a quick one here. See what it does. See if it does pretty good. So okay, check it out right now. I'm gonna make a homemade gravy. Like I said, I'm making homemade gravy here, and let me flip over my stove here. Frying some bacon, and what we'll do, we'll take this grease out of this bacon. Now, the bacon I use is just any old bacon. I like these actually irregular strips from like Save-A-Lot. They're actually cheaper than the big expensive stuff, and I swear they taste better than any of it. So we'll fry this up right quick, and got junk all over the stove I should have cleaned up, but anyway, fry this bacon up right quick, and then I'm going to show you how I make gravy. Now I'm just doing this with my phone because I didn't feel like going out there and get the camera. It's just something quick. But just any kind of all-purpose flour, Walmart brand works. This is what we had, so, and that's what you use. The bacon's still frying. What I'm going to use is this grease. And what this kind of gravy is called, what we consider Appalachian gravy, I guess. It's not like what you see in most restaurants. It's not the white gravy full of pepper, and a lot of people don't know how to make it, really never tried it, so I'm going to make it right quick. Now as for biscuits, I'm just going to make canned biscuits because I'm trying to do this in a pinch. I know how to make real biscuits, and I might do that later sometime, but you know, these right here I'm just going to throw them in. These are actually pretty good if you get the jumbo buttermilk ones. They taste pretty close to homemade, so that's what I'm going to throw in. The flakier ones are better. So I'm just going to get me a pan and throw those in. Okay, so my bacon's getting really close to done. And what we're going to use is this grease. Now, like a lot of people, they make breakfast gravy. They take flour, milk, mix it up, boil it, put sausage in it, pepper. And that's about all they do. But when you do Appalachian gravy, you use this grease. You brown this flour in this grease. And I'm going to show you how we do that in just a second. So I might have just a hair more grease than I need. And I've got this guy that we pour the old grease in. We always save ours to make more stuff from bacon. So I don't really need that much, so I'm going to pour a little bit out. About there is what I need. Alright, so now I don't do this by any kind of measurements, just by feel. Take you a big handful, put it in there. Get you another big handful. Put it in there. Alright.
What are you doing?
And you just do this. And you stir it around. And I might need some more flour in just a minute.
More flour?
Mm-hmm.
Why? What are you making to you?
I'm making gravy, baby.
For you, Daddy?
For everybody.
For you, Daddy?
Yeah, we'll put a little bit more flour in there.
And we'll put some for you, Daddy?
Alright. Now that's... The more flour you put, the more thick it's going to be.
And go put in...
And you just keep stirring it like this.
You hungry, Daddy?
Until it's nice and...
Hungry?
Yes, I'm doing this. Now stop for a second.
You hungry?
Yeah, I'm cooking. Okay. So you just stir the flour and keep browning it like this. Don't let it stick. Just keep stirring. Like so. Now you can put sausage pieces in it or bacon pieces in it after it's done, but usually mine comes out so good I just like it is. It's still not brown enough. It's going to look brown like that, but when you add the milk to it, it's not going to be brown. So you go ahead and grab the milk and let that set just a second. Oh, I need some more milk. All right, now I'm back with the milk. And like I said, it's still not brown enough. It's going to look like it's trying to burn on you on this when you get ready to pour the milk in. And I don't have my heat up very high. I've got it on 5 on this one, so that's about right. Now some people are maybe better at this than me. You see I've got a little bit of bacon crumbles still in there, so you'll have those in the grease, which is good. Just keep stirring. And this is how I do it. Some people may do it different, and more power to them, but mine comes out good. A little bit more. Like I said, you just gotta keep stirring it while you do it. And it's gonna get a little darker than this. You want it this color when you put the milk in. And now she's getting about right. Alright, now what I do is, some people just cut their heat way down, but I found my burners get too hot. So what I do is, I take and I set it off the burner long enough to pour my milk in. And you just pour your milk in like so. And it's going to sizzle. And you just stir it up with the milk in there. And the object is, if you get it too hot, the milk will get too thick on you, is the problem. I'll get you some more.
What is that?
Like so. And now we're going to bring it back to our heat. Now I've got my heat down to about 3. And we're going to do this. And we'll have to add a little more milk in the future here. But this is working out pretty good.
Daddy, I want to see, Daddy.
Just keep stirring it.
Keep stirring.
As you can see that milk's starting to thicken a little bit there. Now, if you don't put enough milk in it, and you try to cook the milk too fast, it turns into bread. So we're going to take it back off the heat for a minute.
Yummy. Yummy, Daddy.
Mm-hmm. All right, and we'll put a little more milk in it.
Daddy.
That's probably plenty. Cut my heat down to 2, just on a simmer. And we'll stir this milk in. As you can see, it's still getting a little thick, but I'll just have to keep adding milk till I get to the consistency I want.
No, more.
We'll go get some more.
Dad, you go get all my milk.
Well, it takes milk to make gravy, baby. I'll save you enough to drink, and I'll go get you some more.
Here's some more.
Yeah, I'll go get you some more. Little one's worried about milk. We got plenty.
I got some more in the refrigerator.
Yeah, baby, we got plenty.
In the refrigerator.
We'll go get some more at the dollar store. All right.
Mix it up.
Yeah.
You mix it up, Daddy. What are you mixing it for?
Well, I'm making gravy, baby.
Hey, what is
Well, I wish you would watch out. You're gonna burn yourself.
What is that?
It's flour.
And I get this, Daddy. Just clean it up right now. Just clean it up.
I'll clean it up in a minute, babe.
Kind of dangerous. This.
It's now you're gonna think you got it thin enough, but when it sets, it gets back thick. So it's gonna take more milk, and I just have to keep adding milk. And I'm gonna pull it off the heat, add some more milk.
Oh.
There we go. Hey, honey, you gonna get me burnt.
I smell bacon right there.
I know I got bacon right there.
I'm going to eat it.
Anyway, and that's about as thin as I like mine. Some people like it like more watery, but maybe just to hire more milk. And then when it's done, You just put a little salt and pepper in it.
It's good, Dad. I was good bacon.
Is it good bacon? Well, I'll get you some in just a minute. But yeah, after it's done, cut this heat off.
Oh, you got my bed.
Yeah, I did.
Why?
A little bit more milk, just a dab, and get it my consistency I want. And like I said, I take it off the heat like this, and I found that works best for me. And I kind of taught this myself. I've seen some other people do it, but nobody really sat and taught me. So, but anyway. So you just want it, I like mine a little thick. Some people like it thinner than that. And we could have browned the flour a little more. There we go.
Good bacon, Daddy.
And that's good bacon, yep. And that's about right there. That's about how thick I like mine. Now, some people, like I said, like it thinner, and they put more milk and less flour, but I like mine a little thick.
I want to put it in there.
Just a minute, babe. And then we put a little pepper in it.
I want to put your pepper in it.
And we stir the pepper up.
I want to put your pepper.
This, baby, you're going to get, baby, this is hot. Now stop.
You put more pepper in it. Make it good.
Yeah, pepper makes it good, baby.
Pepper make it good.
Yep.
For you food.
Yep. A little more.
You put more. Mix it up, Daddy.
Yep.
Make it good.
And then let me find the salt, and we'll sprinkle some salt in it just to taste. And there you go.
What's up?
That is how I make my gravy. That's how I've been taught Appalachian gravy. See how it's brown versus white, and it's got the grease in it to make it, give it that bacon flavor.
Dad.
So that's done. Now it's got salt and pepper in it. You can see that's how thick I like to make mine. Some people like it a little thinner, and I probably could have browned it a little more, but I had a 3-year-old bouncing around me. It's kind of hard to do stuff. But key is, two, if you think you're getting it too thick, you just add milk. You're getting it too thin, you just add flour. It's pretty simple. Save your bacon grease, get you one of these guys, and you can do it anytime you want to. If you just want, and me, I like just to eat my gravy just by itself. I don't have to have a biscuit or anything. I'll eat it with pancakes or anything, just out of a bowl. So, you know, just save that, and you can get you some canned biscuits. In just a few minutes, you can have biscuits and gravy anytime you feel like it. And the last tip I'll make you, and I really should have shot this sideways, I know, but this is just kind of done it on a whim just to see how it comes out and everything. But got a cast iron skillet, man, it makes it better. Not gonna lie, I just didn't dig mine out. There's the finished product. And that's how I make my gravy. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I really just done it because a few people asked me how I do it and wanted me to film it and stuff. And a few of the girls that watch my channel said, "Won't you do something with cooking because you're so good at it?" And I'm like, I ain't that great at it, but I like to do it. So they said they'd want to see it, so I did it. Don't know if it might get 4 views, but hey, you know what? Whatever. But I appreciate it. Don't forget to keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing, and keep cooking something up.